All right, so now that we have Xcode installed and our project has been successfully created, we're going to want to go through just a tiny bit of housekeeping to make things easier for us down the road. And what I want to do is if the app, is running on a device, be it the iPhone or the simulator, and that device turns or rotates in any way, left or right, or God forbid upside down, we want to lock our app in portrait mode. And the easiest way to do that is to visit the project menu section and under general, select portrait. That's really it. That's all we have to do to ensure that our project is not going to experience any weird flipping behavior as the device turns or rotates. Over on the left side, I do want to call some attention to this area. This is the Project Navigator section, and we're going to be spending a considerable amount of time here. It's the easiest way to flip back and forth between areas of our project. And for instance, the storyboard, which we will go over in a minute. You've also got access to this supporting files folder and the images.xc assets folder. And we are going to go over all of those in detail in future videos. I just wanted to make sure we're all on the same page with how Xcode is set up. On the right side, we have the utilities area. And this is going to be where we'll spend a lot of time when we start getting into storyboarding. You see down here, there's a collection of objects that we'll be using. And just a note, you can, I have a nice big screen here, but if you have a smaller screen like a laptop, you can hide or show these different areas by clicking these buttons up here. So if you're running out of room while we're coding, you can go ahead and give yourself a little bit of extra space by hiding these areas.